Echo 3D might be a new company, but we still have put in a pretty good amount of work to create these cool projects for you to either get inspired or use the open source code for your own projects. I just wanted to show you where we have different projects to get inspired to work on AR and VR apps. So we are on GitHub for one. You can go over here to github.com/echo3dco. And as you can see, we have a big variety ranging from a balloon pop carnival game to a typical AR Foundation experience, something for the holidays that we did for St. Patrick's Day, which is our leprechaun launch. Some of these are super simple mechanics like the leprechaun launch and the balloon pop. Some of them are full-on games. For example, we have a card matching game here, and then we also have a makeup AR filter tutorial, kind of how Sephora does the AR filters for makeup. That is all open source. You can use that and build something of your own. We also have a Disney inspired project. We have open source projects using Vuforia, different shopping apps, interior design, which is similar to the Amazon 3D scanning slash AR dropping furniture in your house app, and IKEA has one as well. There's a car racing experience, the Freaky Museum, you'll have to see what that one's about. We have an alien game, tic-tac-toe, so you're able to integrate multiplayer capabilities. And those are just some to name a few. So if you wanted to go through them, again, it's github.com/echo3d. The solar system one is really cool. I will say that and leave it at that. And also, if you go into your Echo 3D console, you can sign up for free on our homepage, actually, echo3d.co. And if you scroll down over here to tutorials, you'll actually get a little preview of some of the tutorials that we have. Anything from the data visualizer to the face tracking app. This one's a little terrifying, but you could change your face. This is the solar system one I was talking about. This is a visual of the car racing game, a portal experience, which is very fun. And working remotely with your floating avatar, wall art, you name it. And we have a pretty robust FAQ over here. So don't forget to look in the tutorials section on our website. There's so much to see. We hope you'll check it out. And if you have any questions, you can actually just find us on Slack as well. Also available right here at the bottom. Join our community and drop your questions or comments in the #support channel.